Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Abdul. I am a student of grade 5 in Sadiq Public School. Today we are going to learn how to use PowerPoint. So now let's start. First of all, open a blank presentation. When you have opened it, remove these boxes. If you don't want to, you can write in it too. Like I'm going to type, tell me how to use PowerPoint. I was about to remove the section. Make your own design. It is better. There are a lot of designs here. Select anyone you want. This. I'm going to go with this one. You change any color of the from it. There are some design ideas too. If you want a design idea, just click it and the slide will turn into that. I'm going to remove it for now. Go to home section. If you want to write, press this button and then drag it here and write what you want. Let me make it big. First of all, make this a little bit bigger. Then press this button. It will make it bold. Press this button and make it bigger. Like I am going to turn it into 80 and write what you want. This is a star. You can change the color of it by going to the format. Press shape fill. Then select any color you want. Let's go with the black one. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon with it. Thank you.